Hi, this is Jody. Welcome back to a book review. So I have another one here for you. This is a flower one. So this one is 8 3/4 by 8. It's a soft cover. It is a garden style book. Simple secrets for glorious gardens, indoor and out. Beautiful bulbs. It's a Georgianne Brennan and Mimi Luberman. Photography by Faith Etchemeyer. Not sure if I pronounced that right, but there's the spine. Here's the back of the book, and the ISBN number is 0-8118-0223-X. So, let's take a look. And this one, I think it was already falling out, but I just want to see. Yeah, this page luckily came out together, but so let me go back here. So let's find a date. This is 1993. This is photography. This is a high gloss photography book. I purposely got it for Glue Books. Oops, let me zoom out just a tad. It's definitely beautiful pages for a glue book. Although maybe you're looking for you know, this type of a flower book for something that you're doing, for some type of a craft. But these pages are really thick, high glossy, real high photography pictures. Very beautiful though. Very beautiful pictures. And again, people get books for different reasons. So, like I said, I'm getting this one for glue booking. So this was awesome. Beautiful pages. And I got it really cheap, so it was not a big deal for me. So if you're interested, there is that book. All right. Thank you so much for joining me. All right. Bye-bye.